Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and have a great life, and may your all desire and wishes come true in this year. So yeah, let's move to our video. As you guys can see that today in this video I'm going to show you some beautiful and amazing patterns of crochet dolls, and these dolls and are very popular nowadays, and you can design it in any shape, in any style, and you can gift it to someone else and you can design it for your child. And yeah, every pattern and every design is different from one another, and the color scheme is really nice, so you can get an idea to design the doll in crochet, and they are very very cost effective and doesn't cost you so much as compared to the other dolls. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite doll patterns made with crochet from this video. Thank you.